So, good morning, everyone, and on behalf of Sigma Science Academy, I welcome you on this particular Sunday morning for this particular session, Career Opportunities After 10th Standard. Okay, let me give you a very brief idea what are the things that we are going to discuss, or rather, what are the things that I am going to share with you in this particular session. In first half of the session, we are going to discuss with what exactly a career, okay, not scientifically or philosophically, because I am also not from philosophical background, but what exactly the career mean, okay, how to uh, select your interest or how to shortlist your interest, how to decide which are the things that I don't like, that is the most important part. And later half of the session, where we will discuss that what are the career opportunities that are there after 10th standard, immediately after the 10th standard, and what are the opportunities after 12th. Little bit I will talk about entrance exams, and if you are not interested in entrance exam, what could be the opportunities with basic sciences, or rather with maths, physics, and all those particular subjects. Okay, so a brief overview about myself. This is my background. Okay, that is, I have done my doctorate in biotechnology from Institute of Chemical Technology, UDCT, formerly was there in Mumbai, one of the pioneering engineering institute in Mumbai, specifically for chemical engineering and technology. I am an also educational and career counselor working in Mumbai and Pune since last 5 to 6 years. Total 10 years of teaching experience I am having in subject of biology, and in Sigma Science Academy I am basically handling the entire field or entire department of bio. Ex-faculty, I was the ex-faculty at Chate Institute and Devdar classes. At Devdar, I am taking basically a crash course which is specifically designed for NEET and for those particular medical entrance. 3 months exclusive course for basically for NEET. I have also guided more than 2,000 students for various medicine and basic sciences courses. Those who are mainly not interested, okay, in medicine and engineering, okay. I request you, please don't do this particular, yes, please. Okay, it's our sincere request. This is for everyone. But otherwise, we have to remove you. Please don't do this. Guided more than 2,000 students for various medicine and basic sciences courses. Those who are basically interested in your other than medicine and engineering courses. Okay. So I'll start with this my particular presentation by a particular trivia or by this particular game. I am going to show you few images or few photographs of eminent celebrities, eminent people. You have to identify their name. You can put on your mic and answer those particular questions as we can go ahead and ahead and ahead. Okay. So there will be a 6 to 8 images which you can see on your screen. Okay, and you can answer the question. You can send me the answer through chat also. Okay, no problem, the chat window is open at my side, or you can put on your mic and answer this question. So the first thing that you can see on your screen, okay, can you identify his name? Yes, I will open the chat window over here, so you can see the chat window also, your response. Already I have placed the next button, so you can see the on screen Dr. Ramanujan, the mathematician. Let's go further. We have one more name. I hope everyone knows his name. Okay, there is nothing to uh, discuss about it. Yes, can anyone tell me his name?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes, very good. Other people, please also participate in the discussion. Okay, interacting, and let me hear your voice because we cannot see you as such. So please participate in the discussion. Tell us the answer. Yes, next. You can put on your
Mukesh
mic and
Ambani.
answer, no problem. Just click on that mic button, say on, and please answer it.
Mukesh Ambani.
Yes, very good. Third, all the girls over there, you should know her name, a very famous athlete who had grabbed the gold and silver?
Hima Das.
Yes, very good, very good. Hima Das, that's famous athlete. Yes. Now you can see the hint at the background. Easily you can recognize him. This is not an exam. If you answer wrongly, no problem, but participate in the discussion and answer it. No problem. The CEO of Google.
Sundar Pichai.
Yes, correct. And the next one is little bit interesting. If you are very good reader, okay, you will identify her. There is a hint at the background.
J.K. Rowling.
Yes, very
J.K.
good.
Rowling.
She is J.K. Rowling, the author, British author, and the famous novelist of Harry Potter. All those particular books. Next, I hope there is no introduction for this person. Okay, everyone knows his name. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, the famous actor. And the last is little bit tricky one. You might have seen him on TV. Yes,
Arnav.
yes, Arnab Goswami, the famous journalist and the typical journalist or the owner of not owner, is you can see him on that particular channel, Republic. So what I have, the purpose of showing you this particular images or this particular people is you see the wide varieties of the career or wide varieties of the options that are there. Each and every particular person have excelled very well in his or her own career or in his or own field, whether it will be a sports, whether it be a entertainment, whether it be a IT industry, whether it be a research. Okay, everyone has done immensely contributed to his or her own contribution to that particular field. Okay, so that is what you have to do and pursue in your career. Okay, as you can see on the screen, the typical definition of the career, the dictionary definition, the lifetime journey. It is not a overnight journey. Okay, it is a lifetime journey of building and making the good use of your skills. Okay, see the letters which are there in capital, skills. Okay, skills you will not develop it at overnight. Okay, it will take hell lot of years to develop that particular skill. Okay, singing, writing, or whatever the skill that you might be having. Knowledge. Okay, knowledge, one of the very important part nowadays. Okay, I will be talking about that. And experiences that you will get over the period of the years. And see the remaining part, that is also very important, the sum total of the events and relationship in your lives, family, friends, education, work, and leisure activities. That means career is a very long journey. Okay, you cannot plan it overnight or you cannot achieve it overnight. Okay, and basically a good career means a balance between your personal as well as professional life. Okay, so a little bit a definition, because we are continuously talking about career opportunities. Hence, I have started with this particular slide. Then many people they ask me a question as a educational or career counselor कि इसमें scope क्या है, याचा scope काय आहे. So little bit I will talk about scope. विचारतात मला biotech मध्ये scope काय आहे, aerospace मध्ये scope काय आहे, IT मध्ये scope काय आहे. So पहिली गोष्ट, as a educational counselor or as a career counselor, let me tell you, scope हा शब्द डोक्यातून काढून टाका. Okay, there should not be any word which is scope in your mind. We will talk about opportunities, and opportunities which are there today and after 5 years. Okay, you are going to graduate not in the next year. Okay, if you are going to pursue 11th and 12th, you will be giving 12th in 2023, and after minimum 3 years you are going to graduate and you will get a degree. So it will be 26 and 27. Okay, 2027, that's the period where you will look for those particular jobs and all. So you have to think about that particular year, what are the opportunities are available at that period of time. And also we are looking for the opportunities locally as well as globally. Okay, in India as well as abroad. So how to decide the career path? Little bit about theoretical things. What is your interest? First thing, I will tell you how to choose the interest, because many students I have seen that, specifically you people who are going to move from 10 to 11, little bit this is a very confusing condition. Okay, government is not saying what is going to happen with us, so what to do? So this is the time actually to sit and think over it, that what is my interest is. Okay, what are the things that I don't like, what are the things that I most like. So over here in this presentation, I'm going to help you in deciding your interest, how you are going to decide your interest. What is your short time goal? Another very important thing. Okay, whether immediately after 10th or after declaring the result, I have to join certain course, I have to go for a college 11th and 12th, and then appear for the competitive exams. So short time goal means what are the things that you are going to achieve within this 1 year or within the 2 years. It will be have, there should be a clear idea in your mind about this short time goal. Okay, long term goal, exactly where you will see him or where will you see yourself at the 10 years, 20 years. Okay, we will not talk about it because the situations are like now, they are very much uncertain. But at the back of your mind, remember after 10 years or 20 years where you will see them. Okay, you will see yourself working in some IT industry, or you will see yourself working in certain hospitals, or you will see him starting your own firm or starting your own entrepreneurship. Okay, where you will be giving jobs to other people. Okay, so opportunities, the last point, as I said, locally we have to think about the opportunities. Whatever the career that you choose, locally they are available, that means in India and also abroad. So the first thing that comes in your mind, that is how to choose your interest. Okay, I may like many things, or as you can see on the screen, that person likes has a many interest. He likes photography, he loves playing guitar, he loves traveling, he likes bike riding. But all the interests cannot become his choice or cannot become his part of career, his or her part of career. So as you can see, you have to see the balance between whatever your interest is and what are the choices of the career that you might be having. Okay, so you can see over here what are the common things that are over here, that are lies over here. So if he loves playing guitar, he is excellent guitarist, so he can become an excellent guitarist over there. Okay, and find those particular opportunities. Similarly with the photography. Okay, he can become an excellent photographer, a wildlife photographer, and can join any particular NGOs, any particular channels for that matter. So the point over here is to decide your interest and choose accordingly the career option that it might interested or it might catch up your interest. So over here in ninth and 10th standard right now, I am damn sure that you might be in that particular dilemma stage, that how to select those particular things and how to do that particular career planning. So over here, a very simple thing after 10th, let me tell you. Yes, I will come back to over here. After 10th, okay, let's start with this particular practical part. Okay, there are certain courses which are available, but as an educational and career counselor, my sincere request or my sincere suggestion to you, please pursue 11th and 12th standard. Okay, many people they will tell you कि entrance exams they are very difficult, how you are going to cope up with them. So take a shortcut route over there for engineering, do the diploma and then go for third year engineering. But diploma is also not that easy, let me tell you. Okay, before joining any diploma, see the syllabus. Okay, ask the people who have done the diploma. Okay, diploma is all about doing two engineerings together. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, there is a lot of vast syllabus and the practical things which are there in diploma. So those who are having a very poor financial condition, those who are very much interested in taking up a jobs, for them you can see on the screen lot of opportunities that are available with the railways, banks, medical, MLT related, pathology related courses, and diploma in professional. But what happens over here, if you do a diploma and you will be doing job for 10 years, 15 years, then after that, if some position will be there in a government institute or in a government sectors, then you will not be eligible over there, because all the government positions, higher positions that I'm talking about, class 3, class 2, minimum eligibility is 12th and a degree. Okay, so once you have joined this particular courses, there should be a clear idea in your mind what you have to do, okay, specifically with those diploma courses and professional courses. I'm not saying they are secondary or something like that. They are good. Diploma will give you total practical knowledge, okay, but there should be clear idea in your mind that what is the syllabus and in which diploma and which field of that engineering diploma I am going to make my career. Okay, going into the confused with the stream that you might be की science घ्यायचं आहे, arts घ्यायचं आहे, commerce घ्यायचं आहे, कसं choose करायचं आहे. Okay, so little bit about over here in these two slides I will help you to choose your whatever your interest. तर एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन मला आपल्याला विचारायचं आहे मनामध्ये की डज बायोलॉजी कॅच माय इंटरेस्ट, आणि मेजॉरिटी 90% स्टुडंट्स दे विल से येस. ओके, I know that because biology is a very easy subject, a very interesting subject, and many 90% students answer yes as well. So if your answer is yes, as you can see, you can opt for all those medical careers, medical related options. I'll be talking about them, and you can see those particular set of subjects, okay, English, physics, chemistry at the 11th level and at the 12th level. Suppose I am choosing it at the 11th level, this particular option, okay, me math पण ठेवतोय, and over here I'm not sure, okay, whether I'm having that biology, so I'm keeping maths also and biology also. But later on I decide की मला maths काहीच कळत नाहीये, ठीक आहे, after 6 months of 11th standard and after 8 months, you can opt your entire biology option and you can drop maths also. Okay, it is very much possible. You just have to see those particular rules and regulation of the college, in which college you are, and accordingly if you change the division, your options will be changed. But it is better to decide now. You have that particular time in your hand. Sit and discuss and talk to yourself, talk to your parents, okay, which subjects or which options that I am going to choose. This will be your first step towards planning your career. Okay, let me tell you this. So just ask this very simple question to yourself: does biology, does physics, does chemistry will catch up your interest, and choose accordingly those particular path. Okay, and if you are not sure, let it go in a straightway manner. Keep all those particular topics, chemistry, bats and biology, appear for those particular exam and learn, and then decide which way you have to go. So let me start with after 12, that is a HSC, simple HSC with all career, means these options or these career options are open with science also, with commerce also, with arts also. Any particular field or a stream, you can opt for this particular courses. Only this eligibility of this course is you should be 12 pass out and the 60% marks. The first that you can see over there, that is a travel and tourism. Okay, right now with due to this COVID and pandemic, the industry has been severely affected. But that industry is again going to rise in 2021, later half of the 2021. So if we are seriously, because we are thinking not now, okay, we are thinking of the career opportunities which are there in 23, after 23. So there are still 2 years of gap will be there, and if you are seriously thinking about a career in travel and tourism, for example, planning, or if you like traveling, or if you like to explore different places, you can be a tourist manager over there, tourist guide over there, who can guide, who can tell those particular people. ओके, बिकॉज राईट नाव इफ यू सी, सगळे लोक आता घरी बसून कंटाळलेले आहेत, ठीक आहे, आणि वेन एव्हर देर इज अ न्यू नॉर्मल, ओके, नेक्स्ट इयर लोक फिरायला सुरुवात करणार विथ ऑल द वॅक्सिनेशन सर्टिफिकेशन अँड एव्हरीथिंग, वॉट एव्हर द रूल्स. सो ओव्हर देअर द ट्रॅव्हल अँड टुरिझम इंडस्ट्री इज गोइंग टू अराइज अगेन. ओके, इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट द टुरिझम. जे कॉन्फरन्सेसला जातात लोक, जे कंटिन्युअसली बिझनेससाठी ट्रॅव्हल करतात, ओके, फॉर देम ऑल्सो द टुरिझम इंडस्ट्री is there. Okay, तसंच DMLT diploma for medical. Okay, after 12 immediately you can pursue that pathological diploma and you can become a pathological expert or a technician. LIC agent, yourself you can after 12 you can start with our own LIC agent. Okay, LIC agent communication skills are very much necessary. Okay, you should be able to convince the people why they require insurance and everything. Okay, hotel management and hotel and hospitality, both I will talk them about together. Hotel and hospitality, again one of the booming industry, okay, right now. Okay, currently again it has been affected by COVID, but this will be the industry that will arise again in the next year, because if you see, there are certain tournaments, IPL hoto for example आता. So during that IPL, you can see there are a lot of players. Okay, players बरोबर त्यांचे family friends plus the coaching staff and other. How to manage those particular people, and that things come over here about the hotel management and hospitality service. Okay, keeping uh, giving attention to all those particular people, making arrangements of their accommodation, their food, all those typical things will come under over here in diploma and hospitality services. And as I said, if you are very good in playing guitar, if you are very good in singing, okay,
बाहेर एक सापडला.
let me just give me 1 second. I will do enable because unnecessary people they are joining and troubling. So film and television industry over here, FTI. I know. I hope everyone knows where this FTI is. It is there in Erindwane, behind the SNDT Law College Road. One of the very good institute over there. And if you are very good in playing those particular guitar and other particular instruments, definitely there are professional courses over here or related to the film and television industry. Okay. Now moving ahead, I will little bit talk about commerce and arts also, and then we will move with our main part, that is the science. HSC with arts. Okay, if you are really interested and if you are really good in foreign languages, जर तुमचं school level ला basic German, basic French झालं असेल, okay, and if you really like that language, you can pursue your entire career in those particular foreign languages by pursuing basic graduation in arts. Okay, सिंपल एक्झाम्पल, मोदीजी तुम्ही बघत असाल सगळीकडे जातात, इराण, इस्रायल, वॉट एव्हर द कंट्रीज. मोदीजींना तर काय सगळ्या लँग्वेजेस येत नाहीत. सो इफ यू सी ओव्हर देअर विथ मोदीजी, देर इज वन ट्रान्सलेटर हू ट्रान्सलेट्स दोज पर्टिक्युलर लँग्वेज in Hindi and whatever the language that is there, Russian, Japanese, and all. So foreign languages, according to me, if you are really good in that, okay, if you really like those particular languages, German hai, French hai, okay, you have a really good career in those particular field. Okay, प्लस एम्बसीज असतात जिथे आपण विसाला अप्लाय करतो. सो इन एम्बसीज ऑल्सो, रशियन एम्बसी, फ्रेंच एम्बसी, दे रिक्वायर पीपल फ्रॉम इंडिया who speak their particular language or who are very well versed with it. Second je important hai, mass media and journalism. Okay, as I said, if you are really good, okay, you don't have any stage fear, if you are really good in communication, mass media and journalism, another very important career which is having lot of opportunities in radio channels. There are certain professional courses who will make you a good radio jockey, video jockey, okay, VJ. व्लॉगर्स, आपण आता युट्यूबवर बघतो की जे व्लॉगर्स असतात, जिथे जिथे फिरतात, ओके, they shoot their video and they put it on a YouTube. Okay, so those will be the professional training will be given to you in that particular courses and doing those particular things. पहिलं LLB LLM तर सगळ्यांना माहितीच असेल. लॉ, ओके, देर इज अ टिपिकल 5 years degree course in our law college that is there in Erindwane. The admission will be there on the 12th exam marks, plus they are conducting their own entrance, a little bit of their entrance, so you can pursue that law, and after doing basic law you can go for LLM or a specific criminal law and other particular things. Social work, another very important course, थोड़ा सा neglect केला गेलेला course है. If you are really not interested in going typical BA and other particular thing, BSW म्हणतात त्याला. So bachelor in social work also you can pursue over there, and you can join any particular NGOs and doing those particular work. जसं आपण आता कोविड मध्ये बघतोय, many NGOs they are coming up, they are helping those poor people with the food, with the shelter and other particular thing. So doing those particular job or in those particular government social institutes, you will be having your career. HSC with commerce, मार्केटिंग अँड फायनान्स, ज्यांना आर्ट्सला आणि सायन्सला पण नाही जायचं आहे, बट थोडंसं मॅथ्समध्ये इंटरेस्टेड आहे अँड दे लाईक दॅट पर्टिक्युलर ॲबिलिटी दॅट दे आर हॅव्हिंग. मार्केटिंग अँड फायनान्स, CA तर आहे, CS, import and export courses, and the mainly there are various courses related to the share market. people have money, okay, but they don't know where to invest the money and where they should get the profit. So over there, you will be the main person who are guiding them where they should invest, which company they should invest. Remember, share market needs a proper experts, okay, and with the proper experts and those who are having money, they need proper expert people. So over here, you can be those particular expert in the share market and you can pursue or those particular things. Yes, we have to rejoin after 10 minutes. I will be discussing little bit about the competitive exams, and at the end I will give you certain tips for the career option, and we will tell you what we are doing over here in Sigma Science Academy with all those particular NEET and JEE options. So please join with the same link and ID after ending this particular session. So regarding the science, which is our main objective today, okay, science, okay, we all know there are four subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. So I'll be talking about individual combinations with which you can pursue your career, okay. The first, as I said, if you are very much interested in maths, okay, or very much interested in engineering, I'm not going to talk about the normal engineering courses. ते सगळ्यांनाच माहिती आहेत, civil, mechanical, electrical, IT. What I'm going to talk about the technological aspects over here in which you can pursue your career. That is a B Tech options. Okay. So little about the traditional courses. ज्याच्यामध्ये आपलं you can pursue 11th and 12th and prepare for NDA, Army, Navy and Air Force. 12 नंतर पण जाता येतं, ग्रॅज्युएशन नंतर पण जाता येतं विथ इंजिनिअरिंग. बॅचलर इन आर्किटेक्ट अँड इंजिनिअरिंग दोघांचंही सीईटी वर आहे. MHCET इज देअर, महाराष्ट्र गव्हर्नमेंट सीईटी. देर इज नो निगेटिव्ह मार्किंग. 200 मार्काची टेस्ट असते, ऑनलाईन टेस्ट असते. त्याचे डिटेल्स तुम्हाला वेबसाईटवर मिळतील, जस्ट गुगल इट. So both the courses, architect and engineering, 4-year degree courses will be there over there. Okay. Architect is again one of the very important thing. तुम्हाला ही जी बिल्डिंग दिसतीये ही अंबानीची बिल्डिंग आहे. ओके, अँटिलिया, जी आता तुम्हाला दिसतंय प्रकरण बाहेर स्फोटकं ठेवली होती, that particular, okay, see the see how it has been made. Okay, pure example or a sheer example of the architectural expertise. ठीक आहे. ह्याच्यावरती एक हेलिपॅड आहे, डिरेक्टली अंबानीचं हेलिपॅड तिकडे लँड करतं, अँड देर इज अ लिफ्ट. टोटल ऑलमोस्ट काहीतरी 10 का 12 लिफ्ट्स आहेत. सो दॅट विल बी देअर ओव्हर हिअर इन दिस. So if you have a very good architectural knowledge, okay, it will be a very good option for you in B Arch. If your drawing is good, if you have a very good hand, free hand. Plus these are the things that engineers can do, okay, starting from the aerospace, electrical, जे आपल्याला माहिती आहे, petroleum, biomedical, naval engineer, civil, mechanical. So I'm not going detail into it. Computer applications, computer science and IT, very good. Directly on your 12 marks, you can pursue this particular career options. What I'm going to tell you that about this particular fields, okay, that is food technology. Have you heard about what is the course that is food technology, specialty chemicals, oil chemicals, or polymer? Okay, so in food technology there is a 4-year degree course with which you can aware about all the things which are related to the food. Okay, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, मला एक चांगला ऑइल बनवायचं आहे. ॲज यू कॅन सी ओव्हर हिअर, वी विल सी लॉट ऑफ ॲड्स ओव्हर देअर, जेमिनी, तिरुमला, वॉट एव्हर. ओके, so if I want to make a good oil, okay, which has all the nutritions and other particular thing, there is a technology, there is a science behind it. That science or that technology you will be learn over here in this particular course, 4-year degree course. CET ने ऍडमिशन असतं, आणि as I told you, my mother institute ICT, तिथे हा कोर्स आहे, आणि ऑल ओव्हर महाराष्ट्र 10 ठिकाणी हा कोर्स आहे, फूड टेक्नॉलॉजी, विच यू कॅन परस्यू. And after that, it will be a direct placement. You will be placed in all those topmost food industry. Cadbury ahe, bakery industries ahe, Nestle ahe, all those particular food industries in which you can pursue your career. तसंच chemical engineering आहे. Every particular chemical industry that you can see, they require engineers. So chemical engineering, one of the top field. Similarly, you can see the raiment or the textile industry. Okay, which particular cloth will give me proper comfortness, proper smoothness, okay, ज्याने मला गरम होणार नाही जास्त, which is very much sensitive to my skin. Okay, that particular science or that particular technology is all about your fibers and textile processing. तसंच आपलं पॉलिमर आहे. यू कॅन सी लॉट ऑफ वेस्ट विच इज बिंग जनरेटेड ओव्हर हिअर. आपण एक पॅकेट घेतो आणि सिम्पल एक्झाम्पल देतो मी. आपण कुठल्याही स्टोअरमध्ये जातो तर टूथपेस्ट घेतो, ठीक आहे. पण ते टूथपेस्टचं एक कव्हर असतं. ते कव्हर तर काय आपण घरी आल्यावर वापरत नाही. कव्हर फेकून देतो, टेस्ट ट्यूब ठेवतो. So what is the use of that cover? Okay, there is no use of that cover. Unnecessary, you are generating that particular waste. Okay, so over here, how to minimize that particular waste and how to go with the biodegradable polymer thing. So that particular engineering or designing that particular stuff, okay, that is the polymer and surface engineering. तुम्ही बऱ्याच वेळा इटेबल कप्स पण बघितले असतील. ओके, त्याच्यात आईस्क्रीम असतं किंवा चहा असतो. चहा पिल्यावर तुम्ही ते डायरेक्ट क्रश करा आणि खाऊन टाका. सिमिलरली, ओके, सो that kind of a eatable cups which will minimize those particular thing or biodegradable thing will come into this. तसंच आपल्या घरी जे पेंट्स आहेत, ओके, द पेंट्स विच विल cool which will give a warmer experience or which will cool entire your rooms. Okay, that will be your mainly specialty chemicals or mainly the dye stuff chemicals. तो ह्या सगळ्या इंजिनिअरिंग आणि टेक्नॉलॉजी आहेत विच इज या सगळ्यांचे ऍडमिशन्स आपल्या MHCET ने होतात 200 आणि देर इज अ हायर सगळ्यात टॉपला केमिकल इंजिनिअरिंग आहे. सो मेनी पीपल दे ऑप्ट फॉर केमिकल इंजिनिअरिंग, then pharmaceutical science, and then food technology. So accordingly you can choose this particular technology, offbit engineering careers rather than civil, mechanical, electrical, IT, and directly you can get. इथे additional advantage काय आहे की at the final year directly you will be having a placement. Okay, कंपनीज विल कम इन टू द कॅम्पस आणि हे तुम्हाला बरेच लोक नाही सांगणार काउन्सिलर, हे मी तुम्हाला सांगतोय. डायरेक्ट यू विल बी हॅव्हिंग दिस पर्टिक्युलर प्लेसमेंट अँड इफ यू आर व्हेरी वेल throughout the 4 years, if you have done very well, you will be directly absorbed in that particular organization. तर या करिअर ऑप्शन्स तुम्ही जस्ट गुगलवर सर्च केलं तरी तुम्हाला डिटेल्स मिळतील. आता आपल्याकडे तेवढा टाइम नाहीये म्हणून मी जास्त डिटेल नाही सांगत. जस्ट आय एम गिविंग यू अ ब्रीफ आयडिया ओव्हर इट. Okay. Next will be the PCB. As those who are interested in biology, mainly जे तुम्हाला स्क्रीनवर दिसतंय allopathy, dental, ayurved, all those typical fields which are the admission is there on the need basis. So over here in our Sigma Science Academy, mainly me biology handle करतो, botany and zoology. So we will prepare for you for this particular NEET exams. Okay, NEET exam मध्ये negative marking आहे. So there is a particular technique to how to cope up with this particular negative marking. Okay, बऱ्याच स्टुडंट्सना त्याची भीती असते की हे निगेटिव्ह मार्किंग आहे तर काय करायचं. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट द निगेटिव्ह मार्किंग. इट इज नॉट इम्पॉसिबल टू क्रॅक द नीट. ओके, बट तेवढं तुम्हाला पेशन्स पण लागणार, तेवढं तुम्हाला हार्डवर्क पण लागणार. तुम्ही म्हणणार की मी 3 महिन्यात करणार, नाही होत. ठीक आहे, यू हॅव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डे 1 टू प्रिपेअर फॉर दिस नीट एक्झाम्स. ठीक आहे, तर त्याच्यात MBBS आहे, BDS आहे, BMS. ओके, BMS syllabus is having both modern medicine as well as Ayurveda. Okay, traditional knowledge of Ayurveda. So जर तुम्हाला स्कूल लेवलला संस्कृत असेल, ठीक आहे, and if you have a very good knowledge of Sanskrit and you like Sanskrit, this is the very good opportunity for you. BMS Ayurveda. There are many people in Pune who's doing genuine Ayurveda practice. Dr. Jamadarni म्हणून तुम्ही नाव ऐकलं असेल. Okay, pure Ayurveda person. Unani आहे, BOMS, BHMS, veterinary, those who like pets, please join after 1 minute. We are going to end up the session now. Join with the same ID and password. I will not take more than 10 to 15 minutes. We will end up the session in the second half within the 15 minutes. So those who like the pets, त्यांच्यासाठी वेटरनरी आहे. खूप इंटरेस्टिंग फील्ड आहे. टोटल ऑफ वेटरनरी किंवा ॲनिमल रिलेटेड फिजिओलॉजी, ऑल दोज टॉपिक्स विल बी देअर. ओनली पार्ट इज वेटरनरीज म्हणून तुम्ही माणसांना नाही ट्रीट करू शकत. ठीक आहे, दॅट इज द थिंग. नाही तर तुम्ही म्हणाल मी माणसाला पण ट्रीट करणार, मी प्राण्यांना पण करणार. नो, veterinarists will treat only the animals. Okay, cattle and all those particular things. So there are certain very good